Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths, 3rd chapter algebra, exercise 3.1. Now the introduction of the polynomials. Let us see what is polynomial. A polynomial is an arithmetic expression consisting of variables and constants that involves four fundamental arithmetic operations and non-negative integer exponents of variables. Once again I repeat, a polynomial is an arithmetic expression. What is arithmetic expression? That is add, subtract, multiplication and division. That is the fourth arithmetic expression in mathematics. Consisting of variables. Variables means x, y, z, like that. Any variables. We have to take alphabets. That is variables. And constant that involves four fundamental arithmetic operations and non-negative integer exponents of variables. That is polynomial. And what are the types of polynomials? Types of polynomials: monomial, binomial, trinomial. This is monomial. Example for monomial, binomial. Example for binomial. Example for trinomial. There is only one term in this polynomial, that is called monomial. Here only one term is there. And what is binomial? A polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. A polynomial having two terms, that is, this is one term and another one is second term. This is constant term and this is variable. In this example we have two terms. So it is called binomial. And what is trinomial? A trinomial means a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. This is three terms. So it is called trinomial. These are the types of the polynomial. Next, let us see the polynomial based on degrees. Polynomial based on degrees: constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So what is constant polynomial? A polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. There is no variable in this. How to find out the constant, linear, quadratic, cubic? You have to take the variables and power should be considered, that is degree. What is the power of the variables? Here no variables, only constant term. So no variables means there is no degree. So that is called constant polynomial. And take next one is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. What is the meaning of 1? Degree of 1. Here one variable is there and power is 1. There is no another variable here. There is only one variable and power should be 1. So, if the polynomial having the polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Here power should be 1. So, the degree is 1. So, linear, that is called linear polynomial. And next one is quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? In this polynomial, the degree should be 2. So, a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Here power 1 is there, here 2 is there. Which one is the highest power? That is the consider as the degree. Which one is highest power of the variables? That should be considered as degree. So, here 2 is the degree. So, this is considered as quadratic polynomial. And then cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? In this polynomial, the degree is 3 because the power here is m power 1 only. What is the highest power? M power 3. So 3 is the degree of the polynomial. So it is called cubic polynomial. So a polynomial of degree 3 is called the cubic polynomial. Now we are going to see arithmetic polynomial, addition of polynomial, subtraction of polynomial, multiplication of polynomial. So what is arithmetic polynomial? Arithmetic of polynomial means we can add polynomials, subtract from one another, multiply polynomials, divide one by another. All the 4 mathematical expression. That is arithmetic of polynomial. We can add, subtract, multiply and division. That 4 mathematical expressions can be done by this arithmetic of polynomial. Next one is addition of polynomials. Only like terms can be added. Addition of polynomial. Only like terms can be added, but addition of unlike terms gives a new polynomial. Only like terms should be added, but addition of unlike terms gives a new polynomial. And subtraction of polynomial. Only like terms can be subtracted, but subtraction of unlike terms gives a new polynomial. We can see about this in the exercise. Let us see in the exercise after that. Next one, multiplication of polynomial. Any 2 polynomials can be multiplied and the product will also be a polynomial. Any 2 polynomials can be multiplied and the product will also be a polynomial. These are the types of arithmetic of polynomial. Addition of polynomial means only like terms can be added, but the unlike terms give a new polynomial. For subtraction, only like terms can be subtracted and other unlike terms gives a new polynomial. And the 4th one is multiplication of a polynomial. Value and 0 of a polynomial. The number of 0 depends on the line intersecting x-axis. Zeros of polynomial less than or equal to the degree of the polynomial. Value of a polynomial p of x at x is equal to a is p of a obtained on replacing x by a. Next one is zeros of polynomials. When the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 0. When the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 0. At x is equal to 1 is 0. This is the 0 of the polynomial. Once again I repeat, when the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 0, we can say that 1 is one of the 0 of p of x. That is, for example, for 0 of polynomial is q of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. This is 0 of polynomials. That means this number should be substituted here. That will get 0. That is 0 of polynomial. And roots of the polynomial equation. If a is a 0 of polynomial p of x, if p of a equal to 0 and a is 0 of the polynomial, a is the root of the polynomial equation. P of x is equal to 0. A 0 of a polynomial can be any real number, not necessarily 0. A non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. By convention, every real number is 0 of the 0 polynomial. That is the roots of the polynomial equation. Let us see the about polynomials in the exercise. After that, we have to see the exercise in the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching. We will see the exercise in the next class. Thank you.